Okay, what we're going to be doing today is replacing this old faucet with a nice new touchless and all kinds of different functions this faucet has that this one doesn't. This is the old one that came with the house. So I'm going to take this one off, put this one on. I'm going to show you guys the whole install. First, we're going to see what's in the box. Okay, so this is everything in the box. We have our installation guide, the water spigot itself, obviously, and we have a bunch of hoses coming off here. So what this one is going to be is for the touchless sensor. This one right here is also going to be for the touchless sensor. You can see there's a little thing that says wait here. You're going to install a counterweight that you're going to see here in a second. These two right here going to your main line. See, that's going to be your hot and cold. And this is also going to be for the touchless. And this one that said wait here is going to go right here through the bottom of the sensor. And then this, where it says in, is going to go right here, and I'll show you guys that whenever we go under the sink. You have your sensor battery box. This is how it's going to get installed, and this is going to go on top of here. Then you have your holder for it, with this slides into this, or this slides into this. You get the idea. And then your counterweight, which is the thing that's going to get installed right here. So that's how we're going to do it. Let's go ahead and put it to practice. Okay, so we got the old one out, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and put my base plate through all these hoses, just like this, and the wire, of course. And then get them all through the hole. Okay, now, see we got our mounting hardware here. The way this is going to go is going to be the rubber washer first, and then this middle washer, and then the main washer. So that's how it's going to go up underneath the bottom. Okay, we are officially all done. You can see over there to the left, got my hot water hooked up, got the cold water hooked up. I have the sensor on. It's all hooked up, and there's the battery pack hanging out there on the piece of wood. So let's go ahead and turn the water on and try it out. Alright guys, here it is, all done. Just give you a nice look of it. All nice and installed. So there's a couple different settings. The most important one being the touchless. So you can see the spigot is on right now. It's about midway through hot and cold. If I just put my hand here, see, turns on. Put my hand there again, turns off. I don't have to touch anything. So that's really nice. And let's say it's going and you're using this. You want to cut it off for a second, you're going to hit this little round button here. It's just going to cut it off, so you can manually stop it for just a second if you want. Let it go. It's spring loaded, so it's not like a click button. And then it has the spray feature. And then something else I wanted to show you guys. You see this actually turns, so it's going to save some wear and tear on your hose here. So it's not going to be turning as much on the hose. It's going to turn within itself. So that's really nice. It goes right back up into it thanks to that counterweight. So all in all, I like this thing. It's very nice, and I give it thumbs up. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.